Okay, everyone, I would like you to meet Samson. And Samson is a very, very large cocozil squash slash zucchini plant. He's about as tall as I am. And these leaves are positively huge. He's got a long tail growing way back, taking up that whole aisle. And this is where he's centered. And he has another tail that grows way over there and blocks the path in the garden. Then he has a third tail that grows down this side of the fence. He's absolutely positively huge, and he's completely taken over the garden. So Samson was a volunteer who started growing on his own from seeds that fell from last year's cocozil zucchini plant, and he just sprouted up on his own and started growing, and I've honestly never seen one bigger than this. The size of the plant is not the only thing. The fruits that he's producing, the squash, are huge. There's another one over there, but these are small compared to the ones we've been picking. And there's a lot of them. Like every day we come out and there's 2 or 3 more of them. So we just don't know what to do with this guy. He's quite a monster. Really, really big. So yeah, this is what Samson produces every 2 or 3 days. I'm not kidding. And these are huge. Okay, so that's as big as my forearm or bigger. And then this one, these are definitely wider than your forearm. That's how they all are. So I don't know what to do with them all. There's a lot of them. There's probably maybe 2 or 3 of these every day that are ready to pick. I'm gonna have to sell some of them or pawn them off on coworkers.